What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression of two Korbaj fragrances. I purchased Emir and Jade Royale. They seem to be very popular on social media platforms, so I went ahead and purchased these two. And once again, this is not a sponsored content. Make sure to subscribe and put a thumbs up on this video if you like contents like these. First off, I'm going to open Emir. So Emir is supposed to be on the fresher side of things. Notes of Emir are Sicilian orange, Calabrian bergamot, Sicilian lemon, lots of citrus, juicy parts on the top. On the mids, you've got playful fruits. I wonder what they mean by that. We'll soon find out. And on the base, you've got white musk, Madagascar vanilla, amber weave. I have been looking at a lot of their advertisements on Facebook, on Instagram. People rave about this. Influencers. I just try to be a reviewer. So the box feels pretty premium in the hand. Let's see what it's all about. Well, the bottle's moving inside. Let's see. Top sleeve comes off like so. Box. Okay, it's got a magnetic flap and it opens like a book. So the fragrance sits snugly inside. Although it's been moving, you heard it. Korbaj fragrances not only give you like nice smell, but at the same time, they kind of give you those emotional things to experience too. I wonder what they have put in there. This is the wonderful bottle of Emir. Nice bottle, I must say. Like, the glass seems pretty decent, and it's a pretty heavy bottle. Metal cap? No, not metal. Nah, this is not metal. This is plastic. Yep, plastic. So that's a plastic cap. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. I thought it would be metal, but then again, the bottle quality, the glass quality is pretty nice in my opinion. Let's go ahead and test spray this baby. Let's find out what Emir is all about, what the hype is. I'm gonna go directly on skin. Here goes. Okay, distribution is really nice. So I was expecting maybe some kind of fruity, sweet and sour kind of citrus. It's not like that. It's fruity, for sure it's fruity. And it's not on the sour side. It's more on the playful, actually playful, almost like a tutti frutti kind of vibe, if you understand what I'm trying to say here. Definitely the vanilla is prominent. The musk is prominent. The white musk over here, it's kind of that clean, mild, powdery, clean, white kind of a feeling. The citruses are very playful in my opinion. Like, it's not your straightforward, upfront, fresh, not like that. It's very nice. And it's coming off very strong in my opinion. It's the first couple of sprays and look at this. The oil concentration is pretty high. They are straight to perform. Some kind of floral going on in the background, although it does not state any floral, but kind of feels like mild white floral somewhere. Not too prominent, but it could be something else, but it's smelling very nice in my opinion. Like, spring to summer, this thing's gonna be a banger. Beautiful fragrance. Emir is really nice, I must say. Well, so far, that's only the first impression. Make sure to stay tuned because I will be wearing this multiple times and then I will give you my full review. There's kind of like a cooling sensation. I wouldn't say it's a juicy kind of citrus fruity vibe, but there's some kind of like a succulent effect to it. Fruitiness is there, but it's not your juicy, not your acqua di gio kind of citrus. It's not like that. Almost has this gourmand kind of approach to it. But so far, it's smelling pretty potent. Really liking it, like Korbaj Emir. That's definitely a banger. Really loved it. Next up, we will open the Jade Royale. Bottle's moving too. I wonder what's happening inside. All right. So as per the website, Jade Royale has notes of bergamot, sweet orange, lemon, grapefruit, and ginger on the top. Citruses, fruity, refreshing. I'm safely assuming there's some kind of an effervescent warmth to it. On the mids, you've got cashmere wood, magnolia, violet, tonka bean. Wow. A lot of stuff. Like, there's a lot going on. And on the base, you've got ambergris, patchouli, vetiver, white musk. Safely assuming this is not your actual ambergris, of course. It's probably gonna be one of those Ambroxan bangers. Jade Royale. So the box is very nice. Almost like a teal and golden combination. Wonderful, wonderful presentation. I wonder what broke inside, man. It's making a lot of noise. Beautiful. I mean, presentation-wise, beautiful. How do you open this? You first pull off the right side. And then, dear God, look what happened here. Wow. Oh my God. This is supposed to be the more expensive one. Wow. Did it leak? The box is absolutely smashed. Like, I wasn't expecting this. Oh my God. Korbaj, you'll be hearing from me soon, of course, customer service. I hope you fix this, because I had a lot of hope for this one, but wow. So no leaks so far, no leaks. This one, the cap is metal. Has some weight to it. The bottle's really nice though, but it got all scratched up. Wow. Unbelievable. And on the sides, these are metal plates. Cool to the touch. So let's go ahead, spray, and find out what Jade Royale is all about. I'm sorry guys, I'm taking a bit of time here. I wasn't expecting this thing to be broken like this. Like, the cap came off. Like, okay, I see why this thing came off. Of course, the notch is not too deep, and this is a very heavy bottle. It's been moving around. The cap came off. It does not lock too securely. Like, it locks, but it's a very mild lock. It's just coming off. So yeah, has a very nice design though. Like, it's very nice looking, but yeah. Jade Royale, let's see, came in primed, so I'm pretty sure it got pressurized in the process. Okay, effervescent for sure. There's a warmth. Grapefruit is more dominant. The citruses here are more citrusy in nature. The grapefruit is feeling like that, the rind part, not the fruit part. There's like a bit of an acidic vibe to it, like a sharp acidic vibe, definitely coming from the grapefruit. The ginger is pretty prominent too. There's this warm, effervescent ginger. Very refreshing in my opinion. There's this warm, refreshing vibe to it. No fruitiness about this opening. Like, there's no fruitiness at all. Like, if you're smelling up close, you will feel the lemon very specifically. And towards the base, they have this mids and base. They have this violet, tonka, and cashmere wood. I do feel some kind of like a dry, woody kind of nuance going on in the background. I'm pretty sure this one's going to take a while to come off. It's an extrait as well. It has this dense, like deep, dense vibe to it. Kind of like a green vibe, just like the bottle itself. Like the jade color. I wouldn't say it's a bitter green, but there's this herbaceous vibe going on. Definitely from the violet. Floral over here is not super pronounced, but I do feel there's a mild, beautiful, like a sweet floral thing going on. Definitely the tonka and the magnolia working in conjunction. Maybe these are marketed as unisex, but in my opinion, this one feels very masculine. In fact, Emir felt more unisex. Jade Royale is feeling more masculine leaning. Some sweetness coming through, like almost like an orange kind of thing. Like the sweet orange is there, so sweet orange and tonka kind of combination. Tonka over here, it's one of that smooth powdery thing. Like, it's not, I wouldn't say creamy directly. Like, there's some sort of like a mild powderiness going on, but it's very nice. It's drying down very nicely. Like, it's smooth. In the opening, it was a bit sharp. Of course, the grapefruit, I mean, you can feel the grapefruit and the ginger working right away. Does it remind me of something? Sort of, kind of reminds me of, but not fully, like maybe a tad bit, Barara Viking Dubai or Desora Midnight Gold, where you get that wonderful citrus orangey thing, but not fully in that direction. Now the fragrance has turned a bit airy. You feel it in the air, and definitely there's a big dose of ambroxan. So guys, if you do not like ambroxan, I would steer clear of this one. If that's not something you of your appetite, I would say stay away from this one, because this one's got a pretty high dose. I can feel it right away. Very mass appealing though, like very nice, very nicely done. So guys, that was my unboxing and first impression of Emir and Jade Royale. Two wonderful fragrances. It's just that the unboxing process was a bit of a bummer, but then again, happy that the bottles did not break or anything. But this one, Jade Royale, the atomizer came in primed. I don't know, maybe it got pressed in the shipping process. Of course, the cap was not there. So do let me know in the comments if you have ever tried either one of these, Jade Royale or Emir. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts, what are your opinions, and stay tuned for my full review, of course. And please, once again, guys, this is not a sponsored content. I'll really appreciate if you made it this far, and if you hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button too if you like contents like these. So until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.